My people, hope you are not surprised by my location. If you know, this is what I need just now. I'm back in Abuja, right? Like you all may have heard, especially the inner caucus. And I didn't want to weigh in before now, but when it has to do with Ndo or Hayat, then LIFE, you don't wait, because you are not hoping it happens again, so easy to remember this one. It's better you just say it. And the people we are fighting, like some of you may have noticed, it's not actually the pastors. There are people that are using them from behind. And something like this is the primary reason they didn't want me to be free. But eventually they ran out of steam. What's beyond them hits them, and more is still going to hit them. So we are going to talk about the Ogboji. This message goes to Soludo. At least none of you around him will pretend not to know who I am. So this one will go to him. Message to Governor Soludo. Don't let emotions lead you into acting rationally, because what's going on, what we are seeing, will be totally different from what's going on. I'm not in support. No, now they buy people. I mean, no, even they in support of buying people. Anybody who has said me they buy, go check. I don't buy person. I go talk. I'm waiting. You want to do? You come out. Now to go and my bed day there self. I go still go there. Now no the fear, but you know fit. This matter now. Check whether those people are cleansing than they do for their community. Because you see also you talk. But this is what happen now. You go repeat to another place. Also you talk about people. You see this is what happened that side. If on a no do to the people where they on a place, how will they mean? On a governor hope who's already man not ready to do anything, which on a no. Now if we shout, they will come do small. He not ready to fight these people, the people where they fund themselves, all of them there together. And all of them are the same politicians. Yes, and they tell you. So Soludo, once he this thing, Governor Soludo, no vex. Governor Soludo, once you want judge this thing, go ask those community people. Waiting those people do and waiting these people been they do that for that community before. If them be farmers, who then they bring in? And waiting know they happen for the community, where can they happen again there, or for the neighboring community. Yeah, now so insecurity there southeast. Since for Anambra State, police no one work. DSS, lo. No let myself be the hope where the Anambra. Yes, but governor no fee fund them. How much governor don't fund all the military this thing where they get? Fund them, then go work. You say may they use general resources, then go work for like general this thing. Since they no want to, and people maybe not how people they take care of their community. All this shout when they shout. See, nobody carry complaint come meet me. All this one why they talk now, because we just come tell on and say we want you. We want you now. There they go now. No be they happen so make we no still come talk. Say we talk am. Say what you want happen. What one want do us? Can I come down? I ask for those of you that are crying. Unu can bet you. Yeah. Ejinge imebu. Omuka keye for sitting. Keye for ejekonuga. Keye for no. Kebe for sitting. Yeah. Na ko edi ejem. Nwoke jokwe ebe abụrụkwa galadima jee jụọ ndị mmadụ. Ask the headmaster guy bikunle. Or the headmaster the other side Simeon. Go ask them. That's in charge. If I enter station in charge knows I did. I go to respect myself, you go to do in job. You don't know, I never caboose. Nebenu, I never can caboose. Unu gave big day, who they be the bed after a book at the